So these are probably your goals for 2026. You want to replace your 9 to 5 income. You want to start an online business. You just want to discover new opportunities and finally take control of your life and make a change to live the life you deserve. But you want to know what the truth is? This could also be the year that nothing changes, just like last year or the year before. This year could be the year where you say, oh, maybe this is not for me, and just give up. The year where you watch people your age or younger, probably less accomplished, less capable, and less intelligent than you, winning, building profitable AI businesses, earning life-changing money, and living with freedom and flexibility, while you feel stuck. So what is that difference going to be that determines 2026 for you? I get it. Maybe you told yourself last year that this is going to be it. 2025 is a year. And now 2026 has come around and you're exactly in the same place as before. But frankly, it's not your fault. We're supposed to be living in the greatest time ever to succeed and build wealth. While at the same time, most people are struggling to afford rent and groceries. We're supposed to be in the era of opportunity. But getting a high-paying job is harder than ever. And even if you do manage to land one AI update is enough to probably wipe away your position. In fact, the biggest corporations in the world are in an all-out war to take over the AI space. OpenAI has committed over $1 trillion in infrastructure investment in the next 5 years. And Google's parent company is spending $200 billion on AI infrastructure. And Elon Musk spent $33 billion into xAI. In other words, taking the traditional path of getting a paying job and climbing your way up the corporate ladder is not as reliable as it used to be. I mean, 20 years ago, that was the safest path. But in the age of AI, job security might be the riskiest bet that you could take, because you're concentrating 100% of your income into one path, one boss, and one corporation that is actively looking into AI solutions to replace you. Unfortunately, the game has changed. But you don't have to sit on the sidelines and wait, because you can actually capitalize on AI yourself. You might not be aware, but right now, thousands of people online are making money with AI using one of the most straightforward business models I have ever seen. And by the way, most of them have no business background. And even more of them have no coding or technical experience. And yet, they're quietly closing deals that replace their entire salary, getting paid as much as doctors and lawyers, if not more. And this is all while AI does the actual time-consuming, boring parts of the business. This is what I consider to be the easiest business model to leverage in 2026. What used to once require an entire team of operations can be done by a single person. And AI has essentially democratized wealth creation, not only for the billion-dollar companies, but also for the average person, as long as they know how to leverage it. So my question to you now is this: are you going to be part of the ones that are left behind, or are you going to be one of the ones that take advantage of this AI opportunity and actually make 2026 a transformational year for yourself? Because here's what I know for certain. The people who take action in the next 90 days are going to be the ones that look back at 2026 and be like, yeah, that was the year that changed everything. And the people who wait, who keep researching, watching endless YouTube videos, writing down notes and trying to build the perfect plan, but not actually taking action, well, I hate to break it to you, but you're probably going to be stuck. Look, I've been exactly where you are. 3 years ago, I was about to travel across the country from Atlanta, where I was raised, to LA to start my full-time corporate tech job. But before I was about to move, I decided to take the decision to quit before I even started and go all in on my AI business. And now I'm consistently making $30K per month selling AI avatar services to business owners. It's honestly one of the greatest decisions I've ever made in my life, and I have never looked back. So if you are serious about making 2026 different, seriously want to change the scope of your future, if you are ready to stop watching from the sidelines and actually take action, click the first link in my description to apply to my one-on-one mentorship. I'm only taking on a few people because I am genuinely working with you one-on-one. I'm not throwing a course at you and telling you to figure it out, and I'm not throwing a bunch of material and saying, hey, this is what you do, go and do it. I'm actually working with you one-on-one every single day and every single week to make sure you hit the goals that you are looking to achieve with the roadmap that we build together. But before you you even do all that, make sure you go to my channel and look at some of my other videos so you actually understand what I'm offering, why I'm offering it, and the success that I've been able to achieve for myself. And once you've actually watched some of those other videos, click the first link in the description on any of these videos to book a call with me where I'm gonna see if you're a good fit, and if you are, I'll walk through exactly how the program works and get you onboarded right then and there. The program is going to be simple. It's me and you building an AI business until you hit 10K within the first 90 days of working together, or I'll work together with you until you do. But you have to be serious. You have to be ready to take action, because I can give you the roadmap and the education, but you have to be willing to walk that path yourself. So if that's you, click the link below and let's make 2026 your greatest year yet. And if you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe because I post content every single week about how to build and grow an AI business. Thank you for watching, and as always, take care.